Today we're going to be installing the Flowmaster American Thunder dual exhaust catback system. This is going to fit 2019 and 2020 Chevy and GMC 1500 trucks with a 5.3 engine. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start at the very front. So we're right behind the catalytic converter where the pipes meet. We're going to remove our first clamp. So we're going to use a 13 millimeter So once we've loosened our clamp, we're going to get a small flathead screwdriver and we're going to release the retaining clip on the very top of this coupler. And we're going to get that out of the way. Now we're going to work on removing the coupler that leads to the tailpipes. This is going to be located right next to your spare tire. This is also going to be a 13 millimeter, so we're going to be using a wrench here. And this backside's a little hard to reach. Now we're going to work on removing the hangers from the frame hanger locations. Now we're going to be working towards the back of the truck. Okay, so now we're going to work on taking out the factory tailpipe. So there's going to be 3 bolts that you're going to need to take out. One is going to be located on the left side, the other is going to be on the right side, and then the other is going to be above the tailpipe in the center. In order to access the middle one, you can get a wrench and attach it right on top. Now, in order to gain access to the other 2 bolts, it's going to be easiest if you bend it down just a hair. Now repeat that process on the opposite side. Now that we've removed the 2 nuts off of this coupler from earlier, we can go ahead and remove it, separate the 2 pieces. Now on the driver's side tailpipe, the only thing holding this pipe on is going to be this one hanger, which does not have a barbed end. It will just slide right out. Now that the driver's side tailpipe is out, we have the 1-piece exhaust left. We're going to cut this right in front of the muffler in order to remove it. Okay, now we're going to move the muffler side towards the tailgate. We're going to remove that piece. And now we can slide the passenger side tailpipe out of the rear hanger. So now we're back to our factory exhaust, and we're going to remove this factory clamp and reuse it on the aftermarket kit. So with that tab from earlier, you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and you're just going to pry up on that inner insert of that tab and get that out of the way. Then we're going to remove our clamp and reuse it on the aftermarket kit. Now that we've taken off our factory clamp, we're going to reinstall it using the new exhaust. So with this, I found it a little bit easier if you have the tab facing towards the cab of the truck so it doesn't interfere with this weld on this new piece, and you can make it a little bit easier on yourself and have this bolt facing downward so it's a little bit easier to tighten up. And we're going to place our new hanger in our new hanger location and attach the pipe. Now that we have our factory clamp over our 2 pipes, we're going to put a little bit of pressure on it just so it holds together. We don't have to worry about it popping out. And then once the install is done, we're going to come back and tighten everything up. Now with our first pipe up, we're going to go ahead and slide our band clamp over that pipe, and now we're going to connect our muffler. We're going to tighten everything up at the end, but we're just going to snug this up enough to be able to support the weight. Now that our muffler is connected, we're going to connect our outlet pipes. So we're going to start on the passenger side with our band clamp already over the muffler. And then we can pick this up and put it in our factory hanger location. We'll snug this band clamp up with a 15mm socket. Again, we're not going to tighten it up. We're just going to snug it up just a little bit so we don't have to worry about that pipe popping out. Now we're going to be connecting our passenger side tailpipe. So you're going to want to fit it in the factory hanger location first. Slide it all the way forward, and then you can align your pipes. Now with using our 15mm again, we're going to tighten our clamp that connects our tailpipe to the rest of the exhaust. We're not going to tighten it up all the way, we're just going to get it to where it's supporting itself. Now we're going to start working towards the driver's side of the truck, so we're going to be connecting our driver's side pipe to our muffler. Connecting our hanger to our factory hanger location before inserting it into the muffler. And then again, using a 15mm, we're going to snug up the band just so it can support its weight, and we're going to come back to tighten that up later. Then we're going to move on to the driver's side tailpipe. So again, we're going to connect the hanger to the factory hanger location first. Slide that all the way on. And then connect our pipes. Now that we're working on our last clamp, we can go ahead and tighten these all the way up. We're going to start from the back and work our way to the front, making sure our tailpipes are aligned. And then now back with our 13mm, we're going to tighten up our factory clamp towards the cab. Well, that's it for our Flowmaster exhaust install. It's just that easy. It should take you about an hour and a half to complete, but if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online.